Welcome children. Welcome today's first virtual session of 8th Standard Geography. Let us begin the session with the quote, "Those who contemplate the beauty of earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts." With this thought in mind, I would like to introduce you the second topic of your textbook, Interior of the Earth. But before entering into the topic, I want to give you some instruction. Children, you should open your textbook and you should be ready with a pen and a copy so that the important points which I will be discussing, you should write those points in your copy and it will be helpful for you to understand the topic. So children, be prepared. Let us begin. The scientists unanimously believe that the earth was formed out the solar system itself. Children, you know that the earth is a planet and it is the part of a solar system. Initially, earth was a gaseous hot balloon. It cooled down as it rotated around itself. Children, in 7th standard, you have come to know about the rotation and the revolution of earth. The earth revolves around the sun. At the same time, the earth rotates around its own axis. The process of cooling took place from the outer surface towards the earth's center. As a result, the outer layer of the earth becomes cooler and solid, but as we move from surface to the core, heat increases and at certain depths, the interior of the earth is semi-liquid. Children, here I want to give you an example. If we want to boil milk, before boiling the milk is in the liquid state. After it came to boil, steam started coming out of it. After some time, a thick layer of the cream develops over the milk. The temperature of the cream is lesser than the milk below. Thus, it can be implied that the creamy layer cooled faster than the milk below it, which remained hot and in a liquid form. A similar process occurred when the earth cooled. That's why I have taken this example. Children, on the screen, you can see that from the magma chamber, the molten lava, it comes out with the help of a vent on the earth's surface. Mainly it is happened during the volcanic eruption. Matter coming out of volcanic eruptions consist of hot magma, gases, steam, etc. When lava cools and solidifies, igneous rocks are formed. In the earlier classes, you have come to know about the three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. With the help of the lava, the rocks which are formed, that is the igneous rock. Through the estimates of the study of temperature, density, gravitational force and pressure, the interior of the earth was understood. For instance, when we go deep into a mine, we feel an increase in temperature. Similarly, the magma coming out of volcanoes from the Earth's interior is hot. Such estimations were made by the geologist. Several earthquakes occur in various places on the earth every year. Children, you know about earthquakes. Mainly the earthquakes are occurred due to the emission of energy of radioactive elements which are present there inside the earth. And due to the emission of energy, the seismic waves are generated. And these waves travel through the interior of the earth. And with the help of these waves and their direction and velocity, help us to estimate about the interior of the earth. And also, man has tried to dig deep boreholes in the interior to know more about the same. So, to know more about the interior of the earth, the molten magma means the volcanic eruption as well as the earthquake, they are very helpful for all of us to know about what is going on in the interior of the earth. Now, children, we will come to know about the 4 layers of the interior of earth. The 4 layers you can see on the screen that the crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. While going from the earth's surface to its core, major changes occur in temperature and density. Mainly the changes occur in terms of temperature and density. With respect to these two elements, the earth's interior can be divided into following layers. And which is those layers? That is crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Now children, I will be discussing the each and every layer in detail.